Neurodevelopmental Clinic is a place where children with brain-based developmental disorders can receive a diagnosis and treatment of their disability. We tend to see patients with neurobehavioral disorders the most frequently, such as autism, attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, or ADHD. We also see individuals with language delay, behavioral problems, neurogenetic disorders, epilepsy. I would describe myself as caring, compassionate, listening, thoughtful. Same diagnosis. Most children have more than one diagnosis. In this instance, the child had autism spectrum disorder, and we considered genetic testing on the child. Our other care providers within Shriners to coordinate the care for this child, and this child has experienced incredible gains following therapy, and also in the areas of school interventions that have enabled the child to increase their socialization and increase their language abilities. The child doesn't run away across the street to almost get hit by a car anymore. doesn't throw temper tantrums when asked to express themselves, has increased his vocabulary, has increased comfort in socializing with other children. His sleep has improved. And on the whole, we are trying to also help families strengthen their relationships in order to care for the child. And in this family, I believe that's the case too. Most of the time, there's no needles involved, just a lot of talking and play in the room. I would say that there's often more fear and uncertainty than when clarity is brought into the situation.
My name is Tony, and this is my son Ethan. Ethan's 12 years old, and he's recently been diagnosed with Tourette syndrome as well as ADHD. Ethan races BMX, and along with that comes injuries. And just not too long ago, we were headed to the emergency room, and he said, "Can I see Dr. Lee instead? Can't we just go to Shriners?" And so that just shows you that with him being as comfortable as a kid, coming here, but you don't get that feeling of a hospital. It's from the moment you check in with the front office staff to Dr. Lee and his team, everyone is very comforting, and I would highly recommend Shriners.
Everybody here is nice. They help a lot.